Hello all, welcome to shiksha.com. The Office of CEE Kerala has released the Kerala Management Aptitude Test KMAT applications form for the second session. The registration process for KMAT Kerala is underway and will conclude on July 30. The exam will be conducted in the computer-based test mode at various exam centers in Kerala. Here is a walkthrough of how to fill the KMAT Kerala application form 2022. So let's get started. First, visit the official website of the Office of CEE Kerala, which is shown on the screen. There, click on the KMAT Online Application Session 2 link. Then, click on the registration button if you are a new user. Read the instructions carefully mentioned on the page and click the checkboxes below. Click on the Proceed for Registration button. You will be redirected to the registration page. There, fill in the asked details such as the name of the candidate, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and password. Fill in the access code and then click on Register. Candidates will be asked for confirmation of the details filled in. They must note that they cannot change the details once confirmed. After confirming the filled in details, candidates will receive the application number on the registered phone number. Now, proceed on filling the complete KMAT Kerala application form. To do so, you need to log in using the application number and password. Now, click on Step 2. Choose the exam centers in the order of priority. Candidates can choose up to 14 exam centers. When you have chosen the exam centers, click on Save and Proceed. Fill in the rest of the details such as gender, nationality, nativity, etc. Then, click on Save and Proceed. Fill in the address details, academic details, and community of the candidate. Carefully verify the details filled in and click on the checkboxes. Click on Save and Finalize. Once you have done that, proceed on to paying the application fee. The application fee can be paid online as well as through e-challan. Once the fee payment has been made, upload the photograph and signature of the candidate in the prescribed format and dimensions. After uploading the images, click on Finish Upload Image button. Finally, print the acknowledgement page and save it for future reference.